Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to clean the recycle bin automatically on Windows in 2026. So if your storage keeps filling up with deleted files sitting in the bin, yeah, this guide will help you set up automatic cleanup easily. First, open Settings, go to System, and click on Storage. This is where Windows manages automatic cleanup options. Next, turn on Storage Sense. So this feature automatically deletes temporary files and can also clean your recycle bin. Now go into Storage Sense settings and find the Recycle Bin option. I mean, you can choose how long files stay before being deleted automatically. So yeah, choose when Storage Sense should run. You can set it to daily, weekly, or when storage is low. If your recycle bin is already full, you can run Storage Sense immediately to clear it. This frees up space instantly. Finally, it's a good idea to check your recycle bin manually sometimes. So, make sure nothing important was deleted by mistake. And that's how to clean the recycle bin automatically on Windows in 2026. Once Storage Sense is enabled and scheduled, your system will stay clean without any effort. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Windows optimization tutorials.